Welcome friends, myself Vicky Sukla. Today we are going to discuss about the topic atomic structure. Firstly, when we are going to discuss about atomic structure, we should know what is atoms and what is the compositions of atoms. The compositions of atom is three subatomic particles. First is electron, and second is proton, and the third and last is neutron. The compositions of atom is mainly three: electron, proton, and neutron. When we know electron, proton, and neutron, we should know who discovered electron and proton, neutron. Electron was discovered by scientist J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. And proton was discovered by Rutherford. And neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. James Chadwick. Now we are going to know electron. What is electron and where J.J. Thomson discovered electron? The discovery of electron is like in any atoms. J.J. Thomson used the CRT, that means cathode ray tube. J.J. Thomson saw that some negatively charged particles comes out in atoms, and the particles which are negatively charged, J.J. Thomson called these particles as electron. And like as electron, CRT used in discovery of proton and neutron. When in discovery of alpha particle, James Chadwick saw that some particles are released in beryllium plates which are neutral when the bases are attached to the beryllium plate. Beam of light, when attached to the beryllium plate, some neutral particles are released, and James Chadwick called as the neutral particles neutron. Now we are going to discuss about atomic models. What is atomic models? Atomic models. Rutherford said to J.J. Thomson, "Sir, where is the present most probability of finding electron, proton, and neutron in any atoms?" Then J.J. Thomson said to that in any atoms, electrons, protons, and neutrons are found like as watermelon. In watermelon like seeds, electron can be present. And the outer layer of watermelon, like in any atoms, are present as neutron. And the mid cavity, which is pulp, are called as electron. J.J. Thomson said to Rutherford that in any atoms like watermelon, the seeds of watermelon like as presenting of in any atom like as proton, and the pulp, which is red colors in watermelon, like as presenting of electron, and the outer layer of watermelon or in the outer layer of any atom are neutron. Rutherford gave a theory to define the finding out most probability of electron, proton and neutron, Rutherford gave a theory. He said that in any atoms many spaces are found. He says, Rutherford says that in any atom many spaces are found, but in the center of any atoms, total mass of atoms are present, which is proton and neutron. Proton and neutron are present in the center of any atom, and electron are rounding to the nuclei. Rutherford says that in any atoms, total mass of atoms are present in the nucleus, which is proton and neutron, and the electrons are surrounding the nuclei. But this theory was wronged by Bohr. Bohr says that in any atoms, in any particles which is charged and moves around the opposite charge or another charge, then the loss of energy can be seen, because proton is positively charged. And electron is, which are surrounding the nuclei, is negatively charged. Bohr said that if any charged particles around the another charged particle, then loss of energy will be seen. Then if proton is present in the nucleus of the atoms or center of the atoms, and electrons are surrounding the nuclei in an atom, then electron can lose the energy, and after some times total energy of electron can be lost and it dip into the nucleus and atoms can be destroyed. Rutherford said yes, this is true. Bohr said and give a theory which says that in any atom the finding of electron is not in the pulp like watermelon. He says that the probability or finding of electron is where the orbits value is mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi, where m is mass of the atoms, v is the velocity of the electron, and r is the radius of the atoms, and equal to n is the number of orbits, h equal to Planck constant, and 2 pi is the value. Bohr says that in any atoms we cannot say that atoms is surrounding the nuclei. Most probability of electron is where though in those orbits where the value is equal to mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi. mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi, and the electrons, and the most probability of electrons where this place is known as orbitals. Known where the most probability of electrons can be seen, known as orbitals. Now we are going to discuss about the topic mass of electron, proton and neutron, and charge of electron, proton and neutron. Now we are going to talk about mass and charge of electron, proton and neutron. The mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and the mass of proton is 1.67 to 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and the mass of neutron is 1.67 to 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and the charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C, and the charge of proton is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C, and the charge of neutron is 0, because the neutron is neutral. If you love this video, please like it. If you want more video like this, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more updates. And if you support us, then please share it. Thank you for watching.